Hello WSSC customers. I'm Patty Callahan, Chief Financial Officer. Big changes are coming to WSSC, and we want to take a moment to really explain things to you. First things first, we're here to serve you. We've been delivering on our clean water mission for more than 100 years, and in all that time, we have never had a single drinking water quality violation, ever. To ensure we maintain this exceptional track record of excellence, we are improving and modernizing the way we approach customer service. After extensive public outreach and feedback, we're implementing a new simplified and modern rate structure on July 1st. A rate structure is how customers are charged for the water and sewer. This is the first time we've updated our rate structure in more than 25 years.
We're moving from a 16-tier to a 4-tiered rate structure that better matches how you use water today. So what does this mean for your bottom line? Well, on top of the new rate structure, we are also implementing a revenue increase starting July 1st to help fund needed infrastructure repair and replacement. As a result, the majority of our customers will see an increase in their bills. For example, a family of 3 using the average amount of water, about 15,000 gallons per quarter, will see their bill go up about $4. However, about 30% of our customers will actually see a decrease in their bills.
Another big change we're making is enhancing our affordability programs to provide financial assistance to more customers.
How can we help you this afternoon?
Our customer service representatives are here to help and ready to work with you to figure out a program that will help you reduce your bill and provide you peace of mind.
Our new rate structure also ensures rates are fair and equitable for all WSSC customers. You'll be charged for water use within each tier. That's a change from the old rate structure, which billed for all your water use at the highest tier. This was the reason why the Maryland Public Service Commission ordered us to develop a new rate structure. Since you're billed for only the amount of water used in a tier, this provides us with a more predictable revenue stream. And as a not-for-profit public agency, all the money we collect is invested back into our system to fund needed infrastructure repair and replacement to ensure we continue to deliver on our clean water mission.
There are always growing pains with change, but I want you to know we will be here every step of the way to answer all of your questions. Because we expect higher than normal call volumes over the next several months, please reach out to us through the options we've listed here. As always, we appreciate you as a customer and are here to serve you.